Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on VIVO Y28. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And now click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Then select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back and go back again, and now click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and you can drag him into the X icon if you want to remove him from your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.